Welcome! In this video, we will guide you through the reassembly of a Revolution Series pump using our elastomer kit with genuine Viking Pump spare parts. Before you begin, please consult the appropriate technical service manual for safety information and to ensure all maintenance steps are completed. A copy of the latest revision can be found on our website at vikingpump.com. The following tools are required: torque wrench, a soft-headed hammer, a dowel made of plastic or other non-metallic material, a compatible assembly lubricant, and feeler gauges. Each Viking Pump elastomer kit contains all required spare parts. To begin, install each rotor onto the shaft from which it was removed. Note that each rotor has a wide tooth that will fit into the missing spline area on each shaft. Wrapping your fingers to the back of each rotor as you install will help keep the seal faces in place. Lubricate and install new rotor retainer O-rings. Install the rotor retainers and hand tighten them. To prevent the rotor from turning, insert a dowel made of plastic or other non-metallic material between the rotor and casing. Torque the rotor retainers to the proper torque setting. This can be found in the technical service manual. Frame 5 utilizes rotor retainer bolts under a sealed cap. See the technical service manual for more information on these sizes. Check that all clearances meet specifications, as shown in the rotor clearance table in the service manual. Lubricate the new front cover O-ring and install it in the front cover groove. Reinstall the front cover and secure with the dome nuts. A soft-headed hammer may be needed to fully seat the front cover. Torque the dome nuts to the proper torque setting. This can be found in the technical service manual. Rotate the pump shaft to ensure the pump turns freely. If not, remove the front cover and confirm proper clearances. For pump lubrication, Viking Pump Revolution Series pumps are supplied from the factory already filled with lubricants. Please refer to the service manual for proper lubrication and greasing procedures. Your Viking Pump Revolution Series pump is now ready to be put back into service. For more information, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.